Okay, Mr. ET here today to introduce the way to do the firmware upgrade for the U2C Android media player. Well, me show you in detail. First, to do the firmware upgrade, you should look at this file. You should download the related firmware depression box, and you decompress that compression bag. You get this file for the firmware upgrade, and you need a flash tool for FIRMWARE that you can download from the internet, and a rock USB driver. Also for the FIRMWARE you can download this from the internet as well. Well, let me see how to do the firmware upgrade in detail. First, and see this. You connect the charging cable with the computer to this small PC. Well, you should remember that you only could connect the cable with this OTG port, not the charging port. If you connect with the charging port, I have done before that non-application you will get non-application from the computer. You should connect the OTG port. You see this? Do not connect it, and use this pen. Use this pen to hold the receipt. Can you see it very clearly? Hold the receipt slot. When you feel it, yeah. Can you see it? Yeah. New hard disk are found gathered to let you install the USB driver, and you select the second one, ACE, to store and connect the next end, and you can firmware. You should find the USB driver file. Yeah, this one, and this for Win 7. Yeah, not
Windows XP.
Win 6 XP.
Yeah.
Sorry. And you you choose the USB driver. Yeah, you have done the rock up USB device, and you can click this. Okay. Then you find the flash tool. Use this tool. Okay. Can you see this one turned blue? Green? The green? Yeah. You should choose the firmware bag from the route you put. Open it. Okay. Can you see this blue one? Very well. And click the restore. then the firmware is doing. Here. Well, I could tell you a public way to do the firmware for all the kind of TV box that you have bought, that which the CPU is the RK3066. If your CPU is CPU tab fit this one, you can do all the firmware upgrade. Just you download a flash tool and you download a driver, USB driver for the RK3066, and you get the firmware back that you want to the computer. And if you have done all these 3 files, you can do any firmware on this for your TV box. And this firmware bag I put in my computer to install, to do on this media box, is to let this box works more frequency when it finished the firmware upgrading. Yeah, we wait patiently. It may take 3 to 5 minutes to finish the firmware upgrading. Okay, how we see it? Restore down success 1, fail 0. Yeah, that means we have done the firmware for the U2C very well. And when we use this U2C again, it will be more flexible when it works. Yes, thank you. I'm Mr. T.